One of the amazing qualities of Google Read and Write is its ability to help students research and pull information that may support what they're researching for. So we're going to be using these highlighting tools at the top. So what happens is you can highlight in a variety of colors. So for my students, they're doing debates. So they're looking for general information to support their affirmative side of their debate, and information to support the negative side of the debate. And we can do that in 3 different colors and then collect all of those highlights, and it organizes it for you. So let me show you how that works. So general information. And then let's take a look. This is for the affirmative. This is, ooh, that's a bit too much. This is general information again. And let's say this is going to be for the negative side of the debate. So we've got our highlights, and if you click this here, what it does is it collects the highlights. So it sorts it based on color, and when you click that, a new document is going to be formed, and it has the sections of your debate. What it also does, which is amazing, is it gives you a link to your sources. So you don't have to copy and paste anymore. You can just highlight information and sort it. Now, one suggestion I make to students is I would definitely put like a little legend. So general information, affirmative, and negative side of the debate, and then change your colors accordingly, just so that there isn't any confusion. And negative is green. And then once you've got all of your information together, you can then sort it and create your arguments for your debates. So Google Read and Write, great tool to help you sort information when you're researching.